Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Imi Bereho TV. Today, I'm going to show you how to make fresh homemade cheese using simple ingredients you already have at home. This cheese is soft, creamy, delicious, and perfect for sandwiches, salads, or snacks. So let's get started. For this recipe, we need 1 liter fresh milk, 2 tablespoons vinegar, clean cheesecloth. Make sure the milk is fresh and full cream for the best cheese. First, pour the milk into a pot. Turn on the heat and warm the milk slowly. Do not boil it. When the milk becomes hot, it's time for the magic ingredient. Add 2 tablespoons of vinegar and gently stir. Look at that! The milk is separating into curds and whey. This is exactly how cheese begins. Now we strain the mixture using a clean cheesecloth. The liquid will drain away, leaving the soft cheese behind. Now sprinkle a pinch of salt for flavor. Gather the cloth and squeeze gently to remove extra liquid. You can press it for 10 to 15 minutes if you want firmer cheese. And here it is, fresh homemade cheese. Look how soft and creamy it is. Now let's taste it. Fresh, creamy, and absolutely delicious. And that's how easy it is to make homemade cheese in your own kitchen. If you enjoyed this recipe, like the video, comment below, and subscribe for more homemade recipes. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.